we're going to explain how to insert a blank line in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether you want to insert a single blank row, multiple blank rows, or insert rows based on certain conditions. The simplest method is to select the row below where you want the blank row to appear. Then, right-click and select Insert. This will insert a single blank row above the selected row. 2. To insert multiple blank rows, select the same number of rows below the target location as the number of blank rows you need, then right-click and select Insert. This will add the required number of blank rows above your selection. 3. If you need to insert a blank row based on a condition, like after every 10 rows of data, you can use a more advanced method involving VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, scripting. This requires some programming knowledge. However, for basic insertions of single or multiple rows, the right-click method is far simpler and more efficient. Another method, less direct, involves using the keyboard shortcut. Select the row below where you want the blank row, then press Ctrl+Shift++. This is a faster way to execute the same command if you are comfortable using keyboard shortcuts. This shortcut achieves the same outcome as right-clicking and selecting Insert, quickly adding a blank row. For inserting blank columns instead of rows, simply select the column to the right of where you want the blank column to appear, then use either the right-click method, Insert, or the Ctrl+Shift++ shortcut. Remember to select the correct cell or column before applying any of these methods to avoid unintended consequences. Remember to save your Excel file after making changes to avoid losing your work. These methods provide a range of options, from simple single-row insertions to more complex conditional insertions, covering most scenarios when adding blank lines or columns in your Excel spreadsheets. Choose the approach best suited to your skill level and the specific requirements of your task.